we attach our thermistor wire, taking note that that is not just a regular connector on the end of that. That's what actually reads thermal temperature of that valve body. So don't replace it with a standard ring terminal, or you will see a few problems. And we'll torque these into 120 inch-pounds as well. And we plug our heater wires back in. Okay, and then we'll go on to our solenoid connections. As you'll see, there's two different connections. One's red, green, one is black and white. The red and green is our inflate solenoid side, which is the furthest one in. So we'll make sure we're on the drive side on the bottom. Red, green to the inside, black, white to the outside. And same with the trailer connectors. Now we'll connect our static line tank. So blue is for trailer, goes to the top one. Red is for drives, bottom. Okay, now we'll just finish off the reassembly, put our fittings and everything back into place. Just a little bit of pipe dope around our threads. Just kind of seal the connections. Fine, put our correct ones in the right place. Trailer to the top. Drives to the bottom. Now, the one thing we want to touch on as part of our service is going to be the orifice coming from up to our static tank. In this case, we have two of them, one for the trailer and one for the drive systems. And what we want to do as part of that service is pull it apart and change the filter screens that are inside that orifice fitting. It looks just like that. Pull it apart, put the fitting off. And inside it, you'll see we have a little brass screen on both sides of those. And what we'll do here now is we'll take this. I've got one sitting here that's ready to be popped apart. So we'll just a small pick. Take the little snap rings off of there on either end very carefully. Don't worry about trying to save the snap rings. There's new ones in the kit as well, so you'll replace all of that. And then pop out the filters. And they're just small little brass filters, just like that. They just slide inside that filter. And when you get the new ones, pop this out. I'm sure if you can see inside there, you can get really close. You'll see that small little orifice inside. Okay. What we want to do is we want to clean that out while we've got it apart. Just use a little like isopropyl alcohol or something like that. Soak it for 20-30 seconds and then blow out any debris that might be caught up in there. Blow it out nice and clean. Clean everything up in there. Clean the threads up as well. And then you'll get the new filters that'll come in your kit. Pop them back in. And then take the snap rings, some new ones, and they will just pop in with a little bit of assistance with a small pick or a screwdriver. It can be a little tricky sometimes, but a little patience. They will usually just pop right in. Like that. Then we'll take that, a little bit of thread sealer around both ends of that, put our push to connect fitting back on, and then put it back into the static tank on top and connect up your lines again.